Hey Power Fam, it's Saturday? Sunday! It's Sunday and it's Vlogmas day 3 and Emily is at a birthday party and Charlie is in this soft play area over there.
Mummy, Sunday I go stand in front of the slide.
Okay. He wants me to stand in front of the slide. Let's go. So yeah, me and Neil are chilling with a cup of coffee, waiting for Emily to be finished. Charlie's running right, doesn't care that he's on his own, he's just playing in there. Bless him. And then in a bit we're going to see if we can see the Coca Cola truck, but apparently the queues are massive to see a red truck. But we're going to give it a go, so we'll see you in a bit.
Right, let's go down the slide.
Emily's out of her party. Did you have fun? Did you? And the mum was so kind and let Charlie go in and have a party bag and eat the party food as well, so he wasn't left out, so that was really kind of her. So now we are off to see if we can find a parking space to see this truck, but apparently it's absolutely crazy and a 2-hour wait to get a photo with it, and I ain't standing there for 2 hours. No. Pots and standing about don't mix, so we're gonna have a look. If it's crazy, we'll just drive by and try and get a bit of footage of it. If not, we will join the queue. But guys, we are not queuing. They are literally queuing all the way back down to Tesco. So we're just gonna walk. We're just gonna do a walk by. Right guys, that's it. We are not queuing in this. It's madness. So you can see it in background, that's good enough for us. Just look at the queue, people. It's just mad. It goes all the way down there. All the way up here. All the way along there.
And all the way down here.
And all the way down to where the truck is, down there. Yep, we've got Coca Cola in the fridge, so we're just going to let the kids have a glass of Coke when they get home, because that's just madness. I'm freezing. My throat's killing. We're not standing in that. Hey guys, we're back home and the kids have been doing crafts. Are you ready?
Map. Map.
Oh.
Map.
What's her name?
Map.
Hello.
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 Hello. Oh yeah, they've been making spoons as well. They've got the craft on. Look.
I'm the only one that finished the crafts. Charlie did finish one craft, but he didn't
spoons.
Finish.
Oh, his spoon was dry in there. So, sock lady, do you want to watch a Christmas film a bit? What film do you want to watch?
Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Daddy, put you guys down. Your one's down. Okay. Guys, come on, let's go. We're late for the salon. Oh yeah. Yeah, God. Oh, hi, Spoonie. Hey! Hi. Yeah! You're in my way. Ouch. Is it a good day today? Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty good day today. Stop talking. Yeah. 100 degrees. It's 200 degrees. Yeah.
Okay, so the kids are getting ready for bed. Their dinner is on. I am in my very snazzy Adventure Time Jim Jams, and we're all going to get our Jim Jams on, get comfy, and watch another Christmas film. It's been quite a long day, and I am ready to chill. We are getting ready to watch one of the best Christmas films ever on Amazon Prime.
So yeah, guys, we'll see you all next time. 3